Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TradeFly, and this one is going to be a special one. I am recording this episode just for Battle Token. Battle Token is one of the newest tokens that's about to enter the space right now, and they are doing something that is completely innovative, and they are putting the users against one another, and that's how they're going to get the payouts. Phenomenal idea, but a lot of people have questions of how do I even create a MetaMask or a wallet that I can use for this battle token? And I have the answer for you. Let's get into it. All right, so let's get straight into it. And where you guys need to go is MetaMask.io. Now be very, very careful that you're not doing Google searches or looking things up, because a lot of people are out there trying to do phishing attacks against people with MetaMask. That way they can get into their wallet. So again, be very careful here. MetaMask.io, that's where you want to go. Now, once you get there, you'll see that there's an icon, especially if you're on Chrome. Now, the reason I'm using Chrome is it's probably one of the more popular browsers out there. And the first thing we're going to do, very simply, is click where you see the red box and download for Chrome. If you guys are curious what browsers are actually supported, you can see Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, and Opera. Unfortunately, Safari, not one of them. All right, so the next step is going to bring you to the Chrome Web Store, and that's so you can add the extension for MetaMask in Chrome. Very simply, again, the red box, you're just going to click Add to Chrome. And that's going to bring up this next box, and you're going to click Add Extension. Now, the next screen, it's going to bring up the terms of use for MetaMask. I suggest if you're new, go ahead and take a look. Once you agree to it, check it, and then click Create a New Wallet. All right, so here's your first decision point. You have the ability to let MetaMask screen some of your data to see how you're using it. I guess it's supposed to help them out and improve how they're using their services, but you can either agree or take a hard pass. If you do agree and later on you have buyer's remorse, go ahead into the settings and you can remove this. Okay, over to the password. You want to make sure that you use a very strong password, which it will tell you here, and they're going to have to match, obviously. And once you do that, you need to click to say that, hey, I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password. So it's a very important part to know. Once you're done with your password, go ahead and click Create a New Wallet. All right, next up is secure your wallet. Now, this one is very, very important. You're going to have a secret recovery phrase that is for you and you only. Make sure that however you decide to remember this, whether you write it down and hide it in a safe, it is not accessible by anyone you don't want to have access to it, because this is the key to the wallet. So what we're going to do at this point, after you watch the video, if you're new, I recommend you doing that just so you can fully understand the implications of this recovery phrase. And then you're going to click Secure My Wallet. And on the next screen, they're going to actually provide you your secret recovery phrase. Now, all you have to do is click secret seed phrase there, highlighted in the red box, and your 12-word secret recovery phrase is going to pop up. Now, this is where you have to make a choice on how you are going to remember this recovery phrase. I'm not going to give you any recommendations because that is totally up to you and your personal preference. And congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you have now set up a wallet with MetaMask. So let's go ahead and click Got It. So after you select Got It, they're just going to show you the extension tab on your browser so you know where to actually find MetaMask. And here, they're just showing you where it's actually going to be located on your browser. But keep watching and I'm going to show you how to actually pin it to your browser. So here you have the option for smart swaps, and you can see some of the added benefits. This is dealer's choice here if you want to actually enable it. Again, you do have the option to go back later in settings and disable it. All right, as promised, here's where you actually pin MetaMask to your browser. So you can see the tab up there in the top right. You click that, and then once that opens and you'll see the extensions, you then click the little pin button there. You'll see it actually populate the logo permanently on your browser so that you can quickly access it if you so choose. Some people may decide to have it hidden for security reasons. All right, so now we get to actually log in for the first time into our MetaMask wallet. So right here, you're going to go ahead, enter your password that you previously saved, and unlock. So once you've actually logged in, you can see highlighted in the red box, the Ethereum mainnet. Now that is the default blockchain for MetaMask wallet. However, what I'm going to show you today is how to get on the Binance blockchain, which is what you're going to need for Battle Token. So the first thing we're going to do is actually click where that red box is, and you're going to see a drop down menu. And we're now going to click Add Network. Once we select that, we're now going to come to where the networks are. And you can see BNB Chain Add. We're going to select Add, which is highlighted in the red box. And that'll bring you to a prompt asking you if you want to add the network. The answer here is obviously yes. So we're going to select Approve. Now, after you select that, you will get 2 additional prompts asking you if you're sure and just confirming that you do want to make that switch to BNB Chain. Unfortunately, I did not capture those, but once you select got it, just saying okay that you want to do it, it'll bring you here. And now you have successfully added the BNB chain to MetaMask Wallet. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you have now successfully set up a MetaMask wallet, and you are one step closer to acquiring some Battle Token. If you guys enjoyed today's content, give me a like and subscribe. I would truly appreciate that. You can also follow me at TradeFly8 on Twitter. Typically on my channel, I cover a lot of news as well as technical analysis. So if you're into that, come on over. And you guys can expect I'm going to be pumping out some more educational and academic content for Battle Token, so you guys know how to do this step by step. All right, that about wraps it up. You guys enjoy the battle.